Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the layer 3 airdrop, and the layer 3 airdrop eligibility checker is finally out, and they have distributed 7.5% of the overall supply as airdrop to the community for the initial phase. Now before we move on to layer 3 airdrop and also price prediction for layer 3 token, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which you up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505. Now, once you create an account on Bybit, you will also get access to different airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now, if we talk about the eligibility checker for layer 3, if we go to layer 3 foundation over here, this is the actual link. Now, please try to use the actual link because there would be a lot of scam links out there. Now, I will also leave all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. Now, if we talk about layer 3, there were multiple criteria for layer 3 airdrop. So, the first one was basically there was this NFT from this loot box, which was a growth loot box. Now, I will exactly tell you something about this growth NFT in the later part of the video. And apart from this, there were 2 seasons of layer 3 airdrop. So, if we go over here, and as you can see, there is like airdrop 1 and airdrop 2. Now, my level during airdrop 1 was 19 and now it's like 22. And in the phase 1 of the airdrop, I had managed to mint like 145 cubes with overall 225 quests completed with less than 40k XP. And as you can see, I have like 11 referrals over here and some volume. And also in airdrop 2, I managed to mint all of these cubes by completing a minimum of 30 quests out of 32 quests for season 2, and I had also minted this Trident of the World's NFT. Now if I go ahead and show you this open collection over here, as you can see, I have already completed 30 out of this. Now with regards to criteria, there was this good morning streak over here, then this growth NFT, then your XP, and I will show you all the criteria later. Now please note that before that decided to do airdrop for those who had minted a minimum of 100 cubes in the season 1. But the team decided to go ahead and dilute it to minimum of 50 cubes. So overall the airdrop is now diluted because more people are eligible. I think they did it to make more people happy rather than a selected few. So which I personally, to be honest, I'm not sure like whether this will work in the favor of layer 3 or not, but I think they should have stuck to 100 cubes minimum, but it is what it is. And apart from that, there are some countries which are restricted for this airdrop. For example, US is there, UK is there, then Canada, then I think even North Korea is there, then Cuba and Syria and few others. Now apart from these countries, even the neighboring countries have been affected, I think so. So I'm not sure of it yet, but what I have heard is like Mexico or Mexico is also not eligible. Then some countries nearby UK, for example, I think even Ireland is not eligible for this airdrop. So you guys let me know if you are from these countries and if you are eligible or not. Now with regards to the eligibility checker, this is the official eligibility checker for layer 3 airdrop. So you have the option of connecting your wallet and checking the eligibility, or maybe you can go to your MetaMask address over here, simply copy your address and paste it over here and click on check. Now I will exactly show you how much I have received in total for layer 3. So as you can see, I received close to like 3676 layer 3 tokens in totals. Now in season 1, I have minted like 145 cubes and my level was like 19 with overall breeze swap volume of like $21 with a good morning streak of 30 and referral count 2. Now I'm not sure why the referral count is showing low. I think it was on a much higher side, but once again it is what it is, similar to other airdrops, because not all the airdrops are perfect, and to be honest the team has done a relatively decent job. Now I'm sure most of you are not happy because I have seen a lot of people with a higher levels and higher volumes and higher cubes minted that are actually not eligible for this airdrop. Now, if we talk about the season 2, for my address over here, as you can see, I had minted all the 3 infinity cubes and also the trident of the world's NFT with overall cubes 94, level 22, breach swap volume was 0. Now I think I had breached or swapped some, if I remember correctly. Not sure. Then my good morning streak was 75. Referral count once again, I mean, it's showing low for some reason. And this grow NFT I did not receive, unfortunately. Now, there was one user that posted on Discord that two wallets had almost a similar stats with regards to the cube minted and the level and the quest completed. And one wallet had this grow NFT and the other did not. But the thing with this is like the wallet that did not have the growth NFT received a higher allocation than the one that had this growth NFT. Now the team had promised that the people who have already received like grow NFT from this loot boxes over here would receive 100% of the allocation, which is 2x. So we are not sure how the team decided to actually go ahead and allocate a certain percentage of the tokens. But nonetheless, to be honest, I am happy with my allocation. And if we talk about the price of layer 3, if we talk about the initial supply, for example, now 7.5% is airdropped to the community. So out of 3.33 billion, if we talk about 75%, that roughly comes around 250 million tokens in total. Now, if only 250 million tokens are in circulation, and for example, if the valuation comes to like around 125 million or so, then we can see the price of at least $0.5 per layer 3 token. Now, we are not sure about the overall market cap and what the FDV would be for layer 3. But if the initial circulating supply is more, then hopefully we can see the price of this token on a higher side with higher market cap and with higher FDV. And we are also not sure whether there would be token vesting or not. Hopefully they shouldn't do token vesting. And if someone wants to go ahead and actually sell their allocation, they can go ahead and sell it. But I personally feel that I'm not sure, I might keep 100% of my layer 3 airdrop allocation because to be honest, they are doing a decent job because they have a new website and they have recently received a funding of around 15 million from Parafy Capital, and hopefully in the future they might receive some more funding. So let me know in the comment, guys, how many tokens do you received for layer 3. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.